Mr. Calendar and Mr. Bruno, authorities of TOCAT and ambassadors, colleagues, and all people that are present here. Thank you for this brief time where I'm going to try to be very short because tomorrow I have a long presentation. Panama has many similarities with Turkey. Both are maritime countries that unite oceans. Turkey, the Black Sea with the Aegean and the Mediterranean through the Strait of the Bosphorus and Barbara Sea. Panama, the Atlantic to the Pacific through the Panama Canal. Also, we are countries that serve as hubs of air transportation, being important for Turkish Airlines and our national airline, Copa. As a demand from the maintenance of the Panama Canal, ecosystems have been a priority to maintain. Tomorrow, I will show you the many ecotourism attractions that my country has, as well as unique characteristics as bird watching, whale mating, coffee crops, and the magnificent biodiversity museum designed by the famous architect Frank Gehry, the only work of him in Latin America, because he's married to a Panamanian. A small country, but committed to be the balance that unites the Americas, as it was envisioned back in 1830 by Simón Bolívar, the one that unites the world through the small ways that links North and South America. Thank you very much.